Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. It has now been 1,000 miles since I switched my brother's girlfriend's 2019 Honda Civic from Valvoline Restore and Protect 0W20 to the Mobil 1 Advanced Clean 0W20. About 500 miles ago, I uploaded a video update of our reference point inside the engine to see what it looks like when we initially started using this and what it looked like after 500 miles. Today, I'm going to show you guys what the inside of that engine looks like versus 500 miles ago. A little bit of context, about a year ago, she ran this vehicle on a 15,000 mile oil change interval. And we cut open the oil filter and there was a lot of dirt and debris that was caught inside that oil filter. Since then, we ran Valvoline Restore and Protect for about 10,000 miles before making the decision to try this Mobil 1 Advanced Clean. We have a lot of viewers on the channel who are curious about Mobil 1's answer to the Valvoline Restore and Protect, and so I ended up getting this bottle along with a oil filter for about $40 from Advance Auto. At that point in time, it seemed like it was only available at Advance Auto, but I'm hearing that it might be available at AutoZone as well. So there we go. But for folks who have GM vehicles, you'll know that Restore and Protect does not meet the DEXO certification, whereas the Mobil 1's does. I know that in cases like that, this is the only option at this point, and so my hope with this video is to give you guys an idea of what my experience is like so that you can see what it's capable of. But ultimately, I'm not an oil expert. That's Lake Speed Jr. I'm just a guy trying to get his F-150 to 500,000 miles. All right, enough of that. I'll go ahead and show you guys the before and after pictures here. I know the pictures is a little bit hard to tell if there's any improvement. I mean, that just comes with, these check-ins happening like too close to one another. It's hard to tell the difference, but I think there's a slight improvement. I tried to keep everything as consistent as possible, but when it comes to like a tight space within the engine and you gotta get the lighting right, it's a little bit difficult to be consistent. But if I were to tell you, I think it's actually doing something. All right, so I'm planning to change out that oil at about 2,000 miles, so we're about halfway there. We're gonna continue running the Mobil 1 afterwards, but what I'm really curious about is what the filter will look like after about 2,000 miles on this Mobil 1 Advanced Clean. But hey, if you enjoyed this video or if you want to stay up to date on what's going on, consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps. All right, bye now. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.